wake kata kamano gibiro chako kod report mar nadiko mamulo chugo duol mar IEBC. Jafo mara Walter Nyambaga ntiere gi mathoth.
Mana ka odong' seche to yawa yanga bunge bang' yweyo mar dweche ariyo. Bunge madhi yawa kinde mantiere ng'ur ni jatend piny William Ruto ong'wano buombe mag od bura kendo omako afuanda ni nyaka tim mana kaka odwaro. Gino ma Speaker Wetangula kwedo mokalo.
His Excellency has never called me to talk to me about what is going on in Parliament in the manner of debate or vote. Never. I can say this with a clear conscience that at no time has the President ever attempted to influence how Parliament works. Wakati wote miswada na hoja za serikali zinaletwa bunge na kiongozi wa walio wengi ambaye ndiyo mwakilishi mkuu wa serikali katika jumba la bunge.
Mati mwenekine maoru bura biro pedho twak mochuno. Medhi chako dekin twak mamoko.
The NADCO report is already ready and it's going to be a slotted time with the opening tomorrow, so that is given priority to be debated.
Speaker okoni od bura bende biro bilo wach matute wi lipod mar NADCO madwaro ni mondo chuogi apisi mar jatend jotend migepe, apisi maketo sirikal tesre to kod keto e chik omenda mag NGCDF.
Entrenchment of the gender rule, the creation of the office of a Prime Minister, the creation of the office of leader of opposition in the country. Some of those may require constitutional approaches. We also have the entrenchment in the constitution of the national government CDF, the Affirmative Action Fund for Women MPs, and so on and so forth. Those are also on the table.
Bende Wetangula yango ni twak mabiro bedo mogurore enewi usuru mar udi ko yango ni jatend kweth manoke od bura Opiyo Wandayi yande ondiko ne od bura kadwaro ni mondo duok ne jo od bura omenda margi mane ong'adi mag udi kata odoko ni dono osegolo ng'eto.
I have seen the letter. The minority leader has also called and talked to me, and we have discussed the matter, and I believe it is under control. Secondly, I want to make it clear, because I saw some leading politicians attacking the Speaker for going to court. The Speaker never went to court, and the Speaker would have had no reason whatsoever to go to court.
Okoni kamiti mar budget bende biro laro record sa mar choko budget mar 2024 2025 kendo ma nyalo miyo wuodhe mag jo od bura biro bedo manok oko mar Kenya.
The House will embark on serious business. You know, the budget cycle is on now. We don't have a lot of money to keep traveling, and we only travel when it's absolutely necessary.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.
Kapode wantiere mago motendre kod bura nyako